Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miaira Jennings. In this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Stay tuned. Alright guys, there are so many different things you can do with a basic shirt, and today we're going to spice this bad boy up, have it looking summertime fine, give it some flair, all of the above. And I will be using my sewing machine, fabric scissors, and sewing clips. That is it. For more information, just scroll down to that description box, and let's get started. First things first, I am flipping the shirt inside out. And then I am taking my fabric scissors and I am cutting a tank top shape, but with one shoulder because that's how the baddies do it. Okay, once the basic shape of the top is cut, I'm just cutting right along the bottom to kind of crop this just a little bit. And I'm going to be using that bottom portion of fabric to create the ruffles later on, so stay tuned. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and add the sewing clips to the side. And that's the only place I will be sewing the shirt together. If you want, you can go ahead and hem the bottom, but I just decided not to. And let's head on over to the sewing machine. And I'm just sewing the shirt closed along that side, flipping it back to the right side. And this is what it's looking like so far. Super cute. But we're going to add some flair to this bad boy, and we are going to create the ruffles now, which is extremely satisfying and fun to do, to be honest. So I am taking that piece of excess fabric from the bottom of the shirt, folding it in half, but making sure that that top layer is about an inch or so higher than the bottom layer to create some nice dimension on the ruffles. Then I'm folding the top of the strip under about a half an inch or so and clipping it onto the top of that sleeve. Next, I'm creating another fold about 3 inches or so down and clipping that onto the sleeve. And I'm just going to repeat that same process all the way down. You just fold the material one way, move down a few inches, and then fold it under the other way and clip it all in place. But yeah, it's really simple and it's so satisfying to watch and to do. And I actually think this would have been really cute on a regular tank top shape as well if you didn't want to do the one shoulder, because I just love how ruffles add to any shirt. I think it adds a really nice touch and makes anything look fancier than it is. And it looks so beautiful. Once that's all clipped in place, all I'm going to do is sew it all in place right along that top edge. That's it. And just as a little side note, tip, reminder type thing, whenever I'm sewing any stitches that are going to be visible, I typically like to use a thread that's the same color as whatever material I'm using. You can obviously color coordinate and use different colors, but for this, I'm using the same red color. And this is what it's looking like, guys. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, seriously. To think that this used to be a basic long sleeve shirt is crazy. I gotta go try this thing on. Let's go. That is it, guys. Just a few snips and some sewing. Thank you so much for watching. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think and let me know what you want to see me DIY next. Thank you so much if you're already subscribed, and if you're not, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss a DIY video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Wow. Custom shirt by Miaira. Oh my gosh, y'all motherfuckers hating.
Once the basic shape, I can't talk about it. I am black, so my boob out.